This is how you create a custom shape mask transition inside After Effects. Going to go new composition. These are my settings. Okay. Then I'm just going to go up to the rectangle tool up here, make sure it's filled white, and just double click. So we've got a nice background. Then I'm going to import my yoga clip and put it on the timeline. Perfect. Then going back up to the shape tool and deselecting my clip, I'm going to drop down to the ellipse tool. Then holding shift, I'm just going to draw a nice circle in the middle of the page, and then go up to this pan behind tool and command double click. So the anchor point's in the middle. And then I'm just going to use the alignment tool to align it to the center of the page. If you don't see the alignment tool, you can go to window, make sure align is ticked. Then on frame 1, I'm going to press S on my keyboard on this shape that we just made. And then I'm going to keyframe the scale. I'm going to type 0. Then I'm going to move to about 1.5 seconds in. And then I'm just going to scale the circle till it goes off the composition like this. Then I'm going to highlight these keyframes, right click, keyframe interpolation, and go Bezier. Then I'm going to go to the speed graph editor. Change these little velocity arms like high school physics. So we have a bit of a camel's hump. And we go from fast to slow. Then I'm going to go back to the timeline. And then on our yoga clip, I'm going to set the track matte to the shape layer of the circle. So that's shape layer 2. And if you don't see that, you can just toggle this mode here and it changes the menus. We can actually go a step further and just add a bit of extra sauce. Duplicate that circle of the mask transition circle. And what we can do is toggle it on with the eye like this. And then we can change the fill color to maybe one of our brand colors. So let's say if your brand colors like this sort of turquoise blue, we go okay. And then we drag this new circle below the yoga clip. And then what we can do is if we just offset the timing of the transition circle, what we have now is a nice color that appears before the transition. So it just adds this little sort of bubble effect like that. And you can actually do this as many times as you like if you have several brand colors. And you just want to add a bit of extra spice. So we can now do like a cool blue. And voila. What you want, what you need.